As people grow older, the body slowly changes in ways many adults do not notice immediately. Energy may decrease, joints may feel weaker, bones may become less dense, and the heart may need more support than before. After the age of 50, nutrition becomes one of the most important factors influencing healthy aging. Many adults spend large amounts of money searching for complicated supplements while overlooking some of the simplest foods that may quietly support long-term health. One tiny food now gaining enormous attention among health-conscious adults is chia seed. Despite their small size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients that may help support heart health, bone strength, digestion, hydration, and overall wellness. Many people are surprised to learn that just 1 spoon daily may provide a concentrated source of fiber, minerals, and plant-based omega-3 fats. While chia seeds are not a miracle cure, regular use as part of a balanced lifestyle may offer meaningful nutritional support over time. Why heart health becomes more important after 50. The heart works continuously every second of life. As adults age, the cardiovascular system naturally experiences wear and tear over time. Poor eating habits, stress, smoking, inactivity, excess weight, high cholesterol, elevated blood pressure, and high blood sugar may gradually affect blood vessels and heart function. This is why many adults over 50 begin focusing more seriously on circulation, blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall heart wellness. The body depends heavily on healthy blood flow to carry oxygen and nutrients throughout every organ and tissue. Supporting the heart naturally often starts with consistent daily habits rather than extreme diets or temporary solutions. Nutrition plays one of the biggest roles in this process. What makes chia seeds so powerful? Chia seeds may be tiny, but nutritionally they are incredibly dense. One of their biggest strengths is their high fiber content. Fiber may help support healthy digestion and cholesterol balance. Healthy cholesterol levels are important for maintaining proper cardiovascular function. Chia seeds are also rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids known as ALA. These healthy fats may help support heart and blood vessel health. Another important advantage of chia seeds is their mineral content. They naturally contain calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese, which are important nutrients involved in maintaining strong bones. Many adults over 50 do not consume enough minerals daily, especially calcium and magnesium, both of which play important roles in bone maintenance. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants that may help protect the body from oxidative stress. How chia seeds may support heart health. Many people associate heart health only with cholesterol, but the cardiovascular system is affected by multiple factors working together. The fiber inside chia seeds may help support healthier cholesterol management when combined with a balanced diet. The omega-3 fats found in chia seeds may help support blood vessel health and circulation. Because chia seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture, they may also help support fullness and healthier eating patterns. Maintaining a healthy body weight may reduce stress on the heart over time. Some research suggests diets rich in fiber and omega-3 containing foods may support overall cardiovascular wellness as part of healthy lifestyle habits. This is one reason chia seeds have become popular among adults focused on long-term healthy aging. Why bone support matters after 50. Bone strength becomes increasingly important with age. As adults grow older, bone density may gradually decrease, especially in women after menopause. Weak bones may increase the risk of fractures and mobility issues later in life. Many people focus only on calcium supplements while forgetting that bones require multiple nutrients working together. Chia seeds naturally contain calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and protein, all of which are involved in supporting bone structure and maintenance. Strong bones are not built overnight. They are usually supported through years of consistent nutrition, movement, sunlight exposure, and healthy habits. This is why small daily foods may matter more than people realize. The importance of fiber for healthy aging. 1 spoon of chia seeds provides a surprisingly large amount of fiber. Fiber supports digestion and may help maintain healthier bowel movements. Many adults over 50 struggles with digestive discomfort, bloating, or irregularity due to low fiber intake and reduced activity. Healthy digestion also affects how nutrients are absorbed and utilized throughout the body. Fiber may additionally help support healthier blood sugar balance and appetite control when included in balanced meals. This is one reason many health-conscious adults add chia seeds into breakfast or snacks. Simple ways to eat chia seeds daily. One of the easiest things about chia seeds is how simple they are to use. Some people soak them in water overnight to create a gel-like drink. Others mix them into yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or milk. Chia pudding has also become very popular because it is simple, filling, and easy to prepare. The mild flavor allows chia seeds to blend into meals without dramatically changing taste. Consistency matters far more than consuming large amounts. For many adults, 1 spoon daily becomes an easy long-term habit. Other habits that support heart and bone health. No single food can fully protect the body without healthy daily habits. Strong bones and a healthy heart usually require multiple supportive habits working together consistently. Regular walking or light exercise may help support circulation, muscle strength, and bone maintenance. Sunlight exposure may help the body produce vitamin D, which is important for calcium absorption. Drinking enough water, reducing highly processed foods, avoiding smoking, managing stress, and improving sleep may all support healthier aging. Sometimes health improves not because of one dramatic change, but because many small healthy choices are repeated daily. Although chia seeds may support heart and bone health, they are not a replacement for medical treatment or professional care. Adults with swallowing difficulties should avoid eating dry chia seeds without enough liquid because the seeds absorb water and expand. People taking medications or managing medical conditions should also speak with a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Natural foods work best as part of a balanced lifestyle rather than as miracle solutions. After 50, the body benefits greatly from consistent nutrition and healthy daily habits. Tiny foods sometimes contain surprisingly powerful nutrients that quietly support long-term wellness. Chia seeds provide fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and plant-based omega-3 fats that may help support heart health, digestion, and strong bones naturally. While no single ingredient can stop aging, small daily habits may influence how the body feels and functions over time. And for many adults, better health may begin with something as simple as 1 spoon of chia seeds each day.